Hi everyone, welcome to my glitter series. Today I'm going to do a slightly different video in this glitter series. I just bought a bunch of glitter on sale at the Glitter Guy, so I'm going to do an unboxing video and show all the new glitters that I got. So the Glitter Guy has a lot of sales, and this past week was their 5-year anniversary sale. So I got a lot of glitter for a very good price. So here's this first one. Watermelon. White to purple. So this one will turn purple in the sunlight. That is so pretty. Zerg. Burn Book. Those are little dots. Bikini Bottom. Now this is one I already have, but I'm running a little bit low on it, and this is my absolute favorite glitter from the Glitter Guy. I just think it's so pretty. Blue Lagoon. There's a good holographic one. Cheetah. Cash Money. Blurple. Dingle Hopper. Deep Dive. There's another holographic one. Demogorgon. That's holographic as well. I love the holographic glitters. Ooh, this one's blue to purple. So it's a very light blue, and that will turn purple in the sunlight. Dark Side, a holographic chunky mix. Mad Madam, there's another holographic. I bought a lot of holographic ones this time. There's another one, Disco Ball. Maleficent. That one's really cool. Ectoplasm. This one is so bright. Dream House. It's pink, but it kind of shines blue and purple. Raja. Pascal. Scrump. Scrump. I bought 2 scrumps. I don't think I meant to do that. Shattered Opal. It's very pretty. Solar Flare. Spruce Willis. Another holographic. Strobe Light. That is pretty. Sweet 16. and traffic cone. It's a very bright orange. All right, here's my haul from their most recent sale. And I am so excited to use these colors and to show them off. Thanks for watching.